So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to crop an image here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left, press on Insert, then select on Pictures, and add a photo into your document here. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go to the Online Photos tab. I'll go to the airplane right here, and I'll just scroll down a little bit and find an example right here of this airplane. I'll press on Insert, and now you have the photo for this demonstration. So once that is done and you want to crop it, the simplest way to do that is actually just to press on the image right here to open up this top bar right here. And if you go all the way to the right to where it says crop, if you were to go ahead and press on crop right here, you are now brought to the crop screen. So if you wanted to make it a little bit different, so maybe you want to have less background in this example and have more of a focus on the airplane, you can go ahead and crop right here. So as you can tell, the area that's highlighted, or the area that is actually that you can see, is what's the photo is going to be once you're done cropping it. And the photo around the area, so this dark part right here, is what it's going to be once that is done. So once that is done, simply just press on return or enter, and there you go. Now you have a cropped version of the photo that you inserted into your document. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple, but this is how to this is how to crop an image here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.